Hey guys, so now that we've done all of our work pertaining to the Cold War, we are going to be doing a research project. So you're going to have Wednesday through Friday to work on your research project, and I'm going to kind of walk you through what you need to do. So the Cold War didn't involve any actual fighting and was a war that involved a lot of suspicion on both sides. This project asked you to research the perspective of either the Soviet Union or the United States and put it in one of the formats below. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to answer this question. Will I be creating this project from the point of view of the Soviet Union or the United States? Before you even choose a topic, please go ahead and choose a side. So, are you going to be doing it as a capitalist, as the United States, who ran on a democracy, or are you going to be doing your project from a perspective of a communist who is for the Soviet Union? So, step one, you are going to choose a topic. So, over the course of this unit, we have studied a number of topics related to the Cold War. You are to pick one of these topics to research. So, guys, we have the Korean War, the Red Scare, the building up of atomic weapons, the Vietnam War, and the spread of communism, the Berlin Wall, or the space race. If any of these interests were an interest to you while we were when you were doing the pre-work for the Cold War, I would urge you to use one of those. So you will use the information you gather to complete one of the formats listed in step 2. So first thing you need to do, again, choose your perspective from either the Soviet Union or the United States side. Next thing, you're going to choose a topic, one of these to use. And then for step 2, you are going to choose a format. So you are either going to do this project as a newspaper front page, as a propaganda video, as a diary entry, or as a political cartoon. So there are 4 choices that you can make, guys. If you like to write, I would urge you to do the newspaper. If you are into making videos, probably the propaganda, the diary entry, again, writing, the political cartoon, also a video. So each of these, after you do the pre-work, each of these are going to have me explaining what you need to do for your project. And then step 3, I'm going to give you basically directions on how to submit this. So, and then at the bottom here is going to be your rubric. So, just a little short intro on what we're doing with the Cold War Research Project. So remember, it's from whichever perspective you want. You are to choose your own topic, and then you can choose a format. So lots of choice. Hopefully, you can get your creative juices flowing, and you can pick which one that you think you will be the most successful using. All right. Again, guys, all these are going to be giving you directions. Please let me know if you have any questions or need me during any part of this project.